Material nouns are fascinating because they represent the very building blocks of our world. Think about it. Everything around us is made from substances that we can touch, see, and sometimes even smell or taste. These nouns don't refer to individual items, but rather to the materials that make them up. For example, when we say wood, we're not talking about a specific chair or table. We're referring to the substance itself, the raw material that can be shaped into countless forms. Let's dive deeper into some examples. Metals are a great place to start. Gold, silver, and steel are all material nouns. Gold, for instance, is not just a shiny ring or a piece of jewelry. It's a valuable metal that has been treasured for centuries. When we say, the necklace is made of gold, we're highlighting the material that gives it value and beauty. Then there's wood. It's not just about the furniture in your home. Wood is a versatile material used in construction, art, and even musical instruments. When you hear someone say, this table is made of oak, they're emphasizing the type of wood, which tells you about its durability and appearance. Let's not forget about liquids. Water is perhaps the most essential material noun. It's not just a drink, it's the foundation of life. When someone says, she drank a glass of water, they're referring to this vital substance that hydrates us and sustains ecosystems. Oil is another important liquid. It's used in cooking, manufacturing, and even as fuel. When we say, the car runs on oil, we're acknowledging its role as a crucial resource. Air is another material noun that often goes unnoticed. We can't see it, but we can certainly feel it. When we breathe, we're taking in air, which is essential for our survival. It's a reminder of how many material nouns exist around us, often in forms we don't even think about. Cement is a fantastic example of a material used as a foundation for construction. When someone says, he used cement to build the wall, they're talking about the substance that holds everything together. It's a raw material that transforms into something solid and lasting. Now, let's explore some natural materials. Cotton, for instance, is a material noun that represents the fibers used to make clothing. When you wear a cotton shirt, you're wearing a product made from this soft, breathable substance. Similarly, silk and wool are natural materials that have unique properties, making them desirable for different types of clothing. Plastic is another ubiquitous material noun in our lives. It's used in everything from packaging to toys. When we say, this bottle is made of plastic, we're referring to a synthetic material that has revolutionized the way we store and transport goods. Salt is a simple yet essential material noun. It's not just a seasoning, it's a mineral that has been used for preservation and flavoring for centuries. When someone says, add a pinch of salt, they're invoking this basic yet vital substance. In summary, material nouns are all around us, forming the basis of our physical world. They represent substances that can be perceived by our senses and serve as the foundation for countless objects. Whether it's metals, natural materials, liquids, or other substances, understanding material nouns helps us appreciate the materials that shape our lives. So next time you encounter a material noun, take a moment to think about the substance behind it and the role it plays in our everyday experiences.